Hey guys, for July we're doing the horizontal pull-push lunge using the band for the horizontal pull. We're going to use a single ring for the push-up as a more advanced version, and then a lunge twist we're going to progress to a jumping one. So for the bent over row, just using the band, you can stand on it with both feet. So if I've just got the red band here, it's got a decent amount of stretch, pretty easy. To make it easy, I just use one of them and pull one more, then you can kind of grab two, and then you can go for the full four. So you're just going to halve the amount of reps that it is for the workout. Key thing with this one is to really get that nice pull there with that lower trap as you come back. So if I was doing 12 reps, I'd do 6 aside on that, really getting a nice squeeze with the back. Obviously with the band, as you pull, it's going to get more tense as you straighten the arm. There's not as much tension there, which isn't ideal, but it's practical as a training tool, and it's still going to give you strength in that region and really help with that nice pull through there. For the push-up, your easier version would be on the ground. Bring that chest down to the floor, pushing right up from there to the toes. Like that. Then to make it more challenging, you chuck the feet in the strap of the ring. A little bit tricky to get it started. And either side of the ring so the ring doesn't push into the ankles or the foot. And then from there, bring that chest down, press up. If you find that too easy and you want to make it harder, you just planche more in it. So you're coming more forward. If you want to add the tricep, you can add that in to make it a bit heavier as well. It's always a way to make it harder. You can play around with different widths, but just be mindful of it so you know that you're actually progressing and getting stronger. For the lunge, easy version just be the step back lunge. You can just do it square and add the twist in, so twist to the outside. You can chop the arms. You can step forward to make it a little bit harder, or you can jump. So if it's lower reps, you might try and jump as high as you can, but the high rep workouts, you could just stay low and try and get that faster change to make it more intense. So 30 seconds on each, then the 30-second rest. Obviously if you've got dumbbells, you can use those for the bent over row. Makes it a bit more challenging, keeps a bit more load through that stretcher at the bottom of the pull. And same for the chop if you want to add a little bit of load to that, but keep it simple, get it done. 4 rounds of that, always warm up, really try and feel the technique on each of those, especially those bent over rows. Very common habit is to make it more like a high pull, or also kind of round that lower back out, use those upper traps. So you really want to engage those lower traps to get that strength through there. Nice postural correction. Get it done. Whew.